Veronica and I'm a travel designer here at GWA. One of the most common questions my travelers are asking is, Veronica, how should I pack? Is it cold? Is it rainy? Is it hot? Is it warm? And the answer is yes, okay? Costa Rica is a tropical country and the climate is very different in different destinations, okay? So let's see together how should we pack to our adventure in Costa Rica.
Okay, for Costa Rica you will need light and quick drying clothes, light sweater and long pants for the mountains, closed-toe shoes for hiking, water shoes or sandals with strap-ons for water activities. Trust me, this is very helpful. Swimwear is very important, sunscreen, insect repellent, waterproof sweater. You will also need a day pack, water bottle, as in Costa Rica the water is drinkable in all the taps you can find, towels, sunglasses and hat, cell phone or camera because you don't want to miss any opportunity to capture our wonderful fauna and flora, binoculars, prescribed medication, and cash. Remember to pack only the necessary so you can travel light and leave space for souvenirs, which are very important, okay?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And next time you're wondering what should I pack to Costa Rica, remember we're over here with a lot of tips for you. Subscribe and hit a like. Thank you.